Welcome to DI eLibrary. In the next 6 minutes, we will see how you can access the eLibrary and read from more than 50,000 publications. To access the eLibrary, please visit di.refread.com. Make sure you do not use www in the URL. di.refread.com is good enough. The first thing you need to do is log in into the platform. Click on the login button and sign in using your official email address and the password provided to you. In case you do not have your login details or you might have misplaced them, please write to support@refread.com. There is also a WhatsApp number provided in the footer. Once logged in, you can browse the eLibrary by discipline, by publication or publisher of your choice, by format, and then we have also built some topical collections for you to deep dive into. Let's just click on one of the publication, China Quarterly. As you can see, a single click will get me the result, and I can click on the read button to access this particular publication. As you can see on the top right, the authentication has been done by the eLibrary and I have full text access to all the articles. I'll click on one of them and here you find the full text of the article. You can even access the PDF and download it for offline reading. Let's try one more publisher, this time Press Reader, which is the largest aggregation of news and magazine publications in electronic format. As you can see, there are close to 6,800 full text publications here. I can filter by media type, or I can simply use this search within function. Let's say I want to read Hindu. I type in Hindu in the search within box and I can find the Hindu newspaper here. Again, a single click on the read button will take me to the Hindu newspaper on Press Reader platform, and I can read the latest issue of this particular publication in electronic format. Apart from the subscribed and open access resources, there are some topic collections we have built for you, and there are a few information services like these expert talks. More than 4,900 expert lectures from channels like Council on Foreign Relations, RUSI, Center for International Governance and Innovation, US Naval War College, Foreign Policy Association, and more. Then there is a rich collection of literary works in English, Hindi, Urdu, and Punjabi, featuring some of the most renowned authors, either available in audio book format or as a PDF ebook. These were some of the content services available on the platform. Now let's just look at search. If I search for keyword or keywords, let's say China Grand Strategy, the platform will first show me all the publications available in the eLibrary related to my search. So the platform has fetched about 1,700 publications related to China Grand Strategy, and I can again filter by access type, by media type, or by publisher or author. But apart from these publications, then I can also look for research articles related to my search query. I just need to change the tab from eCatalog to article, and as you can see, the platform will do all the work and fetch research articles from all the subscribed publications. I can click on any one of them. I can filter out by publisher or author, and whatever publication I want to read, I'll have a seamless experience, like in this case of Diplomat article. You can also save research articles or publications for future reference. There's this button next to every search result called Add to Reading List. You can create as many folders as you want to. I'm just creating one called Demo. and the document is saved for future reference. I can save a couple more. Let's save this ebook into the same folder I just created. Yeah. And all the saved documents are available in the reading list here. You can find them here and you can select these documents and export the citation in APA, MLA or Chicago format, or you can email the links to your peers, colleagues who have access to DI eLibrary. Please note that all the content services that we showed you in this demonstration are not just available on the web platform, but also as a mobile app, both for iOS and Android devices. The links are provided here, but you can go ahead on the app stores and look for DI eLibrary to download and install the apps. In case you need any support or have any queries regarding the eLibrary, please feel free to write to support@refread.com. Happy reading.